At the beginning we have to learn some tips and tricks. First of all, how to roll this brush, like this. You have to be very quick. Then we have to learn how to direct the hair passage on the brush without watching, just on the mirror, like this. If you put the hair in this side, it will make a half circle, but if you put it in this side, it will make your hair stuck in the head, like this. If I do this from this side, it will make a half circle like this. And if I roll the brush on the opposite side and put the hair dryer on this side, it will stuck on the head. Okay? Now we learned how to use the brush like a beginner. If you didn't roll the brush very quick, the style will not survive. Okay? Here we go. If we need to make this style, we will not use the brush like this and put the hair in this place. No, we will take the hair out of the head like this. This will make a small circle, half circle on this side. Okay, like this. For example, this is the hair and it is like this. We will take it and roll the brush. It will be like this. Okay. If we need it like this style, we will make the brush. For example, this is the hair. Okay, we'll make it like this and put the hair dryer on this side and take the whole hair. Don't put it on one side. You have to move it like this, like this, with the brush. Okay, this will make the hair like standing.